Well, we have breaking news today. Gig workers have announced that there's a new union that is coming about. So this is coming to fruition this week. And we're gonna talk about it in today's video and also discuss, should you join this union? If you're a gig worker for Uber or Lyft or any of the major gig apps, you want to watch this video. It's breaking news, thumbs it up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, by the way, for 100,000 subscribers. We appreciate you all so much. Before we jump into the video, I wanted to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the business app for gig workers, and they help drivers optimize their income, track their expenses, and even guarantee their pay. I mean, kind of like a union, honestly. Like, you do get guaranteed pay with Solo. However, you do still keep your flexibility. You're not an employee, you're an independent contractor, but you can still sign up for these little shifts. $37 an hour, $38 for DoorDash, $37 for Uber. And for a limited time, when you sign up with our link below, Solo is giving you all 10 bucks just for signing up totally for free. With our link, all you need to do is have an active gig account, at least on one ride or trip. Connect your account, type in your Venmo or PayPal in your wallet in the Solo app with our link below, and they're gonna send you 10 bucks. Okay, listen to this. Gig workers are announcing a new union at Uber's headquarters in San Francisco. Delivery workers and other gig workers across California will descend on Uber's headquarters in Mission Bay on Wednesday and announce the formation of a statewide union. Very interesting. This just came out 1 hour ago. This is breaking news. The founders of the union, called the California Gig Workers Union, said their conditions have not improved since Prop 22 was passed by California voters in 2020, classifying gig workers as independent contractors and not employees. Prop 22 was ruled unconstitutional and unenforceable under the state constitution August 2021 by Superior Court Judge Frank Roas. For years, gig companies have exempted themselves from providing basic protections and rights to their workers, including a minimum wage, overtime pay, paid time off, and access to compensation when they are injured on the job. Press release states, for the past several years, the Mobile Workers Alliance in Southern California and We Drive Progress in Northern California have brought together tens of thousands of gig workers to fight for basic rights and protections and push back against tech company exploitation. This is big, 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 my friends. The move to unionize fellows employees at stores and work sites of Amazon, Trader Joe's, Chipotle, and Starbucks, also unionizing, the press release states. The rally announcing the formation of the union will begin Wednesday, 11 a.m. So if you want to go, if you're in San Francisco, you can join the rally. I will try my best to be live streaming on Wednesday at 11 a.m. here on the channel with live coverage. Obviously, I'm not going to be there, but I will be giving commentary if there is anybody like live streaming it. So let me know if you're down, if you're going and you want to live stream it. We can share it here on the channel. But yeah, pretty crazy, guys. I will definitely keep you all updated. What do I think? I think you should join this union. I mean, I'm very interested to see if they can actually provide a minimum wage, overtime pay, paid time off, and access to compensation. I mean, who's paying for this stuff, though? I don't know. I guess you pay into the union. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. How does a union work? I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not really like skilled on this. Union members work together to negotiate and enforce a contract with management that guarantees the things you care about, like raises, affordable healthcare, job security, and a stable schedule. How does a union make money? Union members pay dues to cover the union's costs. Yeah, so if you join this union, you're gonna have to pay. I mean, guys, at the end of the day, you're driving for Uber. Should not join a union, in my opinion, because you're already paying to work. You're already paying your car expenses, right? You're paying your gas, you're paying everything else, and now you gotta pay union fees on top of that? Golly gee willikers. This is a lot of money just to take home a few bucks. Like, I feel like this is not really, I don't know. That's just my opinion, but you know, I could be wrong. And let's see here. Mobile Workers Alliance and We Drive Progress. If you guys are watching this video, please send me an email. We have our email in the links in the description. I would love to interview you and have you on the channel. We have over 100,000 subscribers, mostly all gig workers. We can interview you and get the word out. You know, I'd be interested to have a the California Gig Workers Union. I'd be interested to hear more about your story. I think it'd make for a great interview. So let me know if you're interested in that. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Sign up for Solo with their link below. That they're the sponsor of the video. You can start tracking your miles with them. They do it automatically, and you can sign up for these little shifts. And again, when you use our link below, they're gonna send you 10 bucks. Totally for free, anywhere in the country. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.